Meet the mint family, officially named Lamiaceae. The mint family includes some of the most important and popular plants for the garden and the kitchen. This diverse family, consisting of herbs, flowers, and small shrubs, come in so many varieties. Let's see. There's sage, teucrium, salvia, lemon balm, basil, rosemary, peppermint, lavender, and the list goes on and on. Worldwide, there is over 200 genera and countless species in this family. Most are well known for their beauty and the pungent oils in their leaves and stems. These oils not only give them their attractive fragrances and flavors, but can also have medicinal properties such as menthol. Some of the physical characteristics shared among the relatives are their unique square stems. They are square in cross-section, and they may be rigid, furrowed, or hollow. They also have opposite leaves and tiny flowers. These tiny flowers are extremely important for pollinators like honeybees and hummingbirds, who make good use of the abundant pollen for food and honey production. The mint family truly is one of the most important plant families on Earth. Come check them out before they disappear for the winter.